Hi, good morning. Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today we're going to do another block, and it's going to be another package for the bookcase quilt. So let's get started. So if you're just now tuning in and this is the first block that you're watching, these are the colors for this block. It is a 10-inch block. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what you need. So to begin with, it's like the small little package. It is going to be A through J. So there's 10 different pieces of fabric to cut out. We're going to need the same exact amount, so you're going to need to cut out 2 of A, and it's going to be a 1 7/8 by 10.5 inch. That's your side of the package. The B is going to be 4 of them, and you're going to be cutting out 2 1/8. C, you're going to cut out 1, and it's going to be 1 1/4 by 2 1/8. So here. And D, which is going to be the package color, so that's 3 of them, D, E, F. D, and they all are 2 pieces each, so you need 1 1/4 by 2 3/4 for D. For E, you need 1 1/2 by 2 1/4, and for F, you're going to need 2 1/2 by 2 3/4. And then for the last 4, which is G, H, I, and J, you're going to need 2 G's, 1 by 2 1/2. H, you're going to need 1 by 5. I, you're going to need 1 inch. And J, you're going to need 2 1 1/2 by 3. Okay, let's get started. Now this block is 10 inches, just to refresh our memory. And we're going to start with B, which is the background fabric. And then we're going to put J, we're going to put E. So I'm laying them down like this. Now, in order to do this square, we're going to lay it like this. And it too needs to be sewn diagonally. So what I do is I go to the end of my corner over here. I fold my fabric back, make a little indentation on it there, and then I mark that with my friction pen, because this is the corner that I want to go from here to here. And that's what I'm going to mark. Now I'm going to sew these. There's what it looks like when it's finished. The 3 pieces sewn together. Now we're going to sew the last 2 squares of B with D. We're just going to remove these here. We're going to sew them just like this. Exactly like that. Straight across. No marking. And we're sewing this 1/4 inch. You don't quite get your 1/4 and it ends up being a little longer when you put them together, that's okay. You can just trim them up. Now I'm going to iron these open. And I'll be right back. The next step is to put these 2 together. So put your right sides together. And I'm going to pin this side because this is the side that has the little seams. open them, they will look like this. And now we're going to build the part that goes in the middle, which is C, I, and H. So here's C, I, and H, which is the long one. Let's put these two together here first. Uh-oh. My pink strip is not cut correctly, as you can see. Therefore, I need to go over there and trim off that edge. I must have cut that from a 1.5 inch strip, because I just needed to take a 1/4 inch off. Because I'm using scraps to make this, so all this fabrics is fat quarters and things like that I hadn't left over. Alright, so I'm going to iron that, and then it goes in the middle here, like that. But we're going to set it aside, because actually we're going to be building, we're going to put G to here and F. So we put G first, like that, and then we take our F, and we put it down here. Then this goes. Alright, so let me get them all ironed, and then we're going to get them together. I think I want that on the other end, like that one. So let me take that back out. I didn't look at that very well. I don't want it upside down. I want it right side up. Now we're going to sew these two together. I fixed the other one because I want all the little sayings and pictures and everything to be going the same direction. Let me iron these. Now we're going to connect the middle with each side. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to need to pin it, because everywhere there's an intersection, I want to make sure that they stay down. Alrighty, here we go. looks nice. And now we're going to pin the other side. It'll look like that. Oh, it's really, really pretty. Let's see. I'm going to pin this and I'll be right back. I don't want to twist on me, but that's fine. I always have plenty of pins. I always say you never have too many pins in your project. Unless you've used straight pins when you put it together and sandwich it, then you got too many pins. Thank goodness for the safety pins. Okay, it's talking to me, telling me my bobbin's almost out. Let me take a look at my bobbin and I'm going to see here in a sec. Let's see, is it out? I think I got enough to lock myself in place. Let's see. We'll go as far as we can. If it runs out, I'll just replace it. Yes, I know, it's close to being over. It's going to tell me every so many stitches, I guess. I'm going to tell you, my I may run out before. Is this like those obnoxious texts on your telephone? Let's see. You still have any or not? Can we get a little bit more? Oh my goodness gracious. It made it! Alrighty. There you go. And there's what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? And all we got to do is put the sides on, which are the white strips, which are A, on each side. A down this side, and whoops, A down that side. And of course, first I'm going to have to change my bobbin. I'll be right back. Actually, I thought I would let you know how much bobbin I had left, that it kept telling me I had a little bit of bobbin. There's how much I had right there. That's it. It's empty. It looks like it's hung up on my case. Oh, it's twisted. But there you go. That's what I had left right there. Alright, here we go. I got it all pinned up, bobbin replaced. And we're doing our last strips onto our block. I feel comfortable going this direction, although my pens aren't, but that's okay. Doesn't make any difference. That one's going down now that I'm coming this direction. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, that one's coming down too, so I don't have to worry about that. Looks like it's a little crooked there. Let's take that pin out a sec. Fix it here. There we go. so I'll iron it and I'll be right back. There is the finished package, and is that not beautiful? I'm going to put it on the design wall and let you see all 4 of the blocks that are completed so far. Just wanted you to see all 4 of them. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.